In this video, I'll show you where to get coupon codes for Ola. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my device. I'm going to head on over to Google, and now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Ola coupon codes. Then I'm going to hit search, and now on the Google search results here, you got all these third-party sites offering different coupon and promo codes. So you can see don'tpayfull.com is offering $10 off. You got Flight Hacks, scroll down, We Thrifter, Retail Me Not, Worth the Penny. So you got all these large third-party promo coupon sites offering codes. So you can click on any one of them and to grab discounts. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the first one here from don'tpayfull.com. I'll find this one works quite well. So once you go through the capture process, you'll get redirected to their website. And as you can see, if I scroll down, you got all these different offers. So you got $10 off your first 2 rides, £5 off your first ride, earn $10 credit towards their first ride, etc. And you can see the expired Ola Cab promo codes too. So when you come to these sites, these offers change daily or weekly, so you can always find different offers if you don't like the current ones on offer. So for this demonstration, you can see this code here is verified 24 hours ago. Some unverified offers do work as well, but be mindful they expire every now and then, so just keep an eye and make sure that code is not out of date. So for this one here, I'm going to click on the $10 off your first 2 rides. And now what I want to do is copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section when booking my Ola to enjoy the $10 off my first 2 rides with that company.